Tell me. Is there a new story to tell our children friends today?
I'm thinking of some stories, but I'm confused between them.
Well, what do you think of the story of the squirrel and the dam that invaded the forest? It is a very beautiful story, and you know how much I love hearing it.
I know it's a wonderful story, but I don't know whether our friends will like it or not.
Don't worry, I will advise them to write a comment with their opinion on the story, because you know they love me.
Well, I will tell them the story, and I hope they like it, and I will see the comment and the like. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a cheerful and nimble squirrel named Sammy. Sammy had a cozy little home nestled in the hollow of a tall oak tree. He spent his days scurrying around, gathering nuts and playing with his woodland friends. One sunny morning, as Sammy dashed through the forest, he noticed something different. The gentle stream that flowed through the woods was slowing down, and the water level was dropping. Worried, Sammy followed the stream and discovered a huge dam blocking its path. Confused and concerned, Sammy climbed up the dam to see what was happening. He saw a group of beavers working busily, constructing the dam with twigs, branches, and mud. "Hello there," chirped Sammy, trying to get their attention. The beavers stopped their work and looked at the little squirrel with surprise. "Hi, Sammy, what brings you here?" one of the beavers asked. "Your dam is blocking the stream, and it's affecting the forest. The water isn't flowing, and many plants and animals depend on it," explained Sammy. The beavers looked at each other, realizing they hadn't thought about the consequences of their dam. "We're sorry, Sammy, we didn't mean to cause any trouble," said the eldest beaver. Sammy suggested, "What if we make a small hole in the dam to let some water through? That way, your home will still be safe, and the stream can flow again." The beavers agreed and, with Sammy's help, carefully made a small opening in the dam. As the water trickled through, the stream began to flow again, bringing life back to the forest. The plants grew greener, and the animals had water to drink once more. The beavers learned that it's important to think about how their actions affect others in the forest. They thanked Sammy for helping them understand and promised to build their dam in a way that wouldn't disrupt the stream's flow. From that day on, Sammy and the beavers became good friends. They worked together to keep the forest harmonious, always considering the needs of every creature who called it home. And so, the forest remained a beautiful place, where everyone lived in peace, understanding, and cooperation.